Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why successful people seem to accomplish so much before most of us even wake up? What if the first hour of your morning could completely change your health, confidence, productivity, and future? Stay with me until the end because today you will learn a simple morning routine for success that anyone can follow even if you're a complete beginner. Chapter 1: Why Your Morning Matters. Every successful day begins with a successful morning. Many people think success depends only on talent, intelligence, or luck, but they forget one simple truth. The way you start your morning often decides how the rest of your day will go. Imagine waking up late, checking your phone immediately, rushing to get ready, skipping breakfast, and feeling stressed before your day has even begun. Now, imagine another person who wakes up on time, drinks water, stretches their body, plans the day, and starts with a positive mindset. Both people have the same 24 hours, but their mornings are completely different. Over time, these small differences create completely different lives. Many successful people understand that the first hour of the day is very important. They protect this time because they know that a peaceful and organized morning helps them stay focused, confident, and productive. They do not allow distractions to control their minds. Instead, they use the morning to prepare themselves mentally and physically for the challenges ahead. Remember this powerful truth: win the morning, and you win the day. Your morning is like the foundation of a house. If the foundation is strong, the house becomes strong. In the same way, if your morning is filled with good habits, the rest of your day becomes easier to manage. You feel more energetic, make better decisions, and complete your work with greater confidence. Even when unexpected problems appear, you are better prepared because your day started with purpose instead of confusion. Many people believe they need a perfect life before they can become successful. But success does not begin with a perfect life. It begins with small daily habits. Waking up just 30 minutes earlier, avoiding unnecessary distractions, and giving yourself time to prepare can completely change the direction of your day. These small improvements may not seem important at first, but when repeated every morning, they produce remarkable results. The good news is that you do not need expensive equipment or special training to build a successful morning routine. Anyone can begin, no matter their age, job, or background. The only requirement is the willingness to start. But what is the very first habit that successful people practice every single morning? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 2: Wake Up with Purpose. The first decision you make every morning is often the most important one. It is the decision to get out of bed. Many people hear the alarm clock, press the snooze button again and again, and tell themselves, just 5 more minutes. But those 5 minutes often become 30 minutes, and suddenly the morning is filled with stress, rushing, and frustration. Instead of feeling fresh and ready, they begin the day feeling tired and unprepared. Successful people understand that waking up with purpose is the first step toward building a successful life. They do not wait until they feel motivated. They know that discipline is more powerful than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline helps you do the right thing every day, even when you do not feel like doing it. Remember this powerful truth: success begins with the decision to get out of bed. One of the simplest habits you can build is waking up at the same time every day. Your body loves consistency. When you wake up at a regular time, you feel more energetic. Your mind becomes clearer, and your day starts with less stress. You do not have to wake up at 4 a.m. to become successful. The important thing is to choose a time that works for you and stay consistent. After getting out of bed, make your bed immediately. This may seem like a very small task, but it creates your first success of the day. It teaches your brain that the day has started and that you are ready to take action. One completed task gives you confidence to complete the next one and then the next. Small victories build powerful momentum. Next, open your window and let fresh air enter your room. Take a few deep breaths and smile. Instead of thinking about your problems, think about your opportunities. Tell yourself, today is a new day. Today, I will learn something new. Today, I will become a better version of myself. These positive thoughts help prepare your mind for success. Every successful person began with small daily habits. They did not become successful overnight. They became successful because they repeated good habits again and again until those habits became part of their life. Waking up with purpose is not just about leaving your bed. It is about choosing to take control of your day instead of allowing your day to control you. But once you are awake, what should you do next to increase your energy, improve your health, and prepare your body for success? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 3. Take care of your body. Now that you have started your morning with purpose, the next step is to take care of your body. Many people wake up feeling tired because they immediately begin working without giving their body the attention it needs. Your body is like a machine. If you take good care of it, it will help you work better, think clearly, and stay energetic throughout the day. But if you ignore it, you may feel weak, lazy, and unfocused. The first thing you should do after waking up is drink a glass of water. While you sleep, your body goes many hours without water. Drinking water in the morning helps wake up your body, improves your concentration, and gives you fresh energy to start the day. It is a simple habit, but it has many benefits. After drinking water, spend a few minutes moving your body. You do not need to do difficult exercises. Simple stretching, a short walk, light jogging, or even 10 minutes of exercise is enough. Movement improves blood circulation, strengthens your muscles, and helps your brain become more active. When your body moves, your mind becomes more alert, and you feel ready to face the day with confidence. Remember this powerful truth: your body is the engine that drives your dreams. Another important part of a successful morning is eating a healthy breakfast. Many people skip breakfast because they are in a hurry. Others choose unhealthy foods that give quick energy but leave them feeling tired soon afterward. Instead, choose foods that give your body lasting energy, such as fruits, eggs, oats, milk, yogurt, or whole grain bread. A healthy breakfast helps you stay focused, improves your memory, and gives you the strength to study or work effectively. Taking care of your body also means getting enough sleep every night. Even the best morning routine cannot replace good sleep. Try to sleep at a regular time so that your body and mind are fully rested when you wake up. A healthy morning actually begins the night before. These habits may seem small, but together they create a powerful foundation for success. Every glass of water, every healthy meal, and every minute of exercise is an investment in your future. Healthy people often have more energy to learn, work, solve problems, and achieve their goals. But success is not built by a strong body alone. To achieve great things, you must also train your mind every morning. That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 4. Train your mind every morning. A healthy body gives you energy, but a strong mind gives you direction. That is why many successful people spend time every morning training their minds before they begin their daily work. They understand that the thoughts they feed their minds in the morning often shape their attitude for the rest of the day. Imagine waking up and immediately reading negative news or scrolling through social media for an hour. Your mind quickly becomes filled with stress, comparison, and distractions. Now imagine starting your day by reading a few pages of a good book, learning new English words, writing down your goals, or spending a few quiet minutes thinking about what you are thankful for. Which morning do you think will prepare you better for success? Remember this powerful truth. A strong mind creates a strong future. You do not need to study for hours every morning. Even 15 or 20 minutes of learning can make a huge difference over time. Read a motivational book, listen to an educational podcast, practice your English speaking, or learn a new skill. Every new thing you learn becomes an investment in your future. Just as your body becomes stronger through exercise, your mind becomes stronger through learning. Another powerful habit is writing in a notebook or journal. You can write about your goals, your dreams, or even the lessons you learned yesterday. Writing helps organize your thoughts and gives your mind greater clarity. Many successful people use journals because they help them stay focused and understand their progress. You should also spend a few minutes practicing gratitude. Think about the good things in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Be thankful for your family, your health, your education, or simply the opportunity to start a new day. Remember, your mind is like a garden. If you plant positive thoughts, good habits, and useful knowledge, your life will slowly grow in the same direction. But if you fill your mind with negativity and distractions, it becomes much harder to achieve your goals. The best part is that anyone can train their mind. You do not need to be rich or highly educated. All you need is the desire to improve a little every single day. But after preparing your body and your mind, there is one more important habit that separates successful people from everyone else. How do successful people stay organized and productive throughout the day? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter.